Good morning once again. Okay. Alright, so the way I'm chilling here, doing my show, hanging out in the room where I used to sleep. Well, sometimes sleep, stuff like that. Doing the video game episode from last night, and not only that, doing the video game episode from vlog from last night, and just now doing the video about this black white supremacist girl from Dr. Phil and stuff like that. You know, I mean, beautiful girl, dumb attitude, stupid attitude, and stuff like that. You know, but I almost turned like that myself. You know. If I turn out like that, then a white supremacist will call me the N-word, you know. Yep. So, I mean, you know what? The way I think about it, Philip from that Vice show, I don't know if he was teaching people to hold grudges or whatever, you know. But the way I think about it, I'm not gonna go there, you know. Because sometimes you can forgive people and forget about it and stuff like that. I don't know the deal, you know. But technically, I don't care what people say. You can forgive if you want. It's up to you, okay? But let me tell you something. I ain't gonna shake nobody's hand and make amends with people like that do me that fucking dirty, you know. That's not Dominoes 7 life, okay? I only make amends with people who I want to make amends with, okay? So, this girl named Lindsay, she done me wrong and stuff like that. Yeah, she done me wrong and stuff like that. Gave her ex-boyfriend my number without my permission and stuff like that. But I was mad at her for a long time, you know. I talked so bad about Lindsay, you know. Well, some of you don't even know who Lindsay Stevens is, you know. So she have a YouTube account, but she don't have no videos on her YouTube, you know. So she live out of town, out of state, you know. But I wish she would have stood her butt in Louisiana, you know. So alright, speaking of that, in 2012, Kristen told me that Allie's family was planning on moving to Canada, you know. And then I had told Allie, I'm so glad you're going to stay your butt here in Louisiana. She said, I'll try to stay my butt here in Louisiana. That's exactly what Allie said, you know. I had a crush on Allie, you know. Do y'all remember that episode, Best Friends? Wait a minute, somebody blowing. Oh, well, that's not for us, though. Yeah, somebody was blowing, though. Alright. So as I was saying, though, I told Allie I want her to stay her butt here in Louisiana. She said, I'll try to stay my butt here in Louisiana. Oh, Allie, okay. Allie Costanzo. I don't know if I'm pronouncing her name right or not, you know. But she'll try to stay her butt here in Louisiana, okay. I hope she do stay her butt here. Yep. She said, I'll try to stay my butt here in Louisiana. And that's funny too. That is totally funny for her to tell me that. You know, I'll try to stay my butt here in Louisiana. Well, to make it funny, I made her say that. Alright. Now that's funny though, okay? And Lizzie Velasquez, you know, I love her so much, you know. But the thing is, I saw her talking with Roman on Instagram pics. Well, not talking with Roman. She finally met with Roman after a couple of years and stuff like that, you know. I don't recall when the last time she seen Roman, you know. I recall the last time Roman been in her videos, 2015. The last one was let the fun begin. I think. Let me see. I could be wrong. To be honest, though. I could be wrong though, but I don't know. So let me see. I mean, let the fun begin. That's the last video that Roman ever been in, you know. And speaking of Roman got his own YouTube channel, you know. Roman Arispe, you know. I really miss Lizzie and Roman doing videos together. You know what? I gotta tell y'all something though. Okay, any fans of Lizzie that's watching my video, I want y'all to do me a favor and let Lizzie watch this video. Okay? I mean, I want to tell y'all that's poo-poo. Okay? That's poo-poo that Lizzie and Roman haven't spoken to each other in a while. That's boo-boo. You know? Them being apart is boo-boo. That's poo-poo. That's very, very poo-poo. Okay? On the serious side, that's very, very poo-poo. Okay? Alright, do me a favor and let Lizzie watch this. Okay? Alright, so that is very, very poo-poo. Very poo-poo. Okay? Alright, so anyway, Lizzie did make me laugh in one of her videos though. On the serious side when she said pee-pad. I'm glad she said that. It seemed like anything Lizzie said, I love hearing her voice though, you know. Alright. So this is my YouTube here and stuff like that. So I mean I even watch her videos in my phone, and sometimes I watch her videos on my TV. Alright, I don't have a smart TV yet, okay? But I watch YouTube videos on my Wii U, but the screen is cracked. You know, the screen cracked on my Wii U pad. I gotta try to get it fixed next month, okay? Or for Christmas or whatever, okay? And I also watch my YouTube videos on my PlayStation 3. Thank God for that technology. So one day I'm gonna get a PlayStation 4, okay? Either February or March, okay? Gotta do something to raise something, you know. Raise money to move and get a house, you know. Alright. So, gotta represent, you know. And now this girl, Treasure, okay. I ain't talking about Treasure Jackson from Jackson Rocks, you know. Talking about this girl Treasure that was on Dr. Phil. I think she's a sweetheart deep down inside, but she got to get rid of that negative energy about black people, you know, about her own race, you know, because she needs to know not all black people is bad, you know. On the serious side, though, whatever I said in my last video, if it's offensive, I apologize, you know, okay. So all I'm saying is, don't degrade your own race. I'm not just talking to black people. I'm talking to white folks too. Don't degrade your own race, okay? Don't hate your own race. If you're white, don't hate your own race because they have white supremacy in your race, okay? Don't do that, okay? That's not cool. Being hatred because of this, because of skin color and all that, you know. So, when I think about it, folks, please stop the hate. Well, I'm wasting my breath on that part. But let's move on, okay? Now back to Lizzie, okay? What a sweetheart she is, you know? I mean, Lizzie Velasquez, beautiful inside and out to my knowledge, though, okay? Okay, so anyway, I mean, the way Lizzie talk, I love the way she talk, you know. I I hope Roman move back to Texas, you know. I really hope so, you know. That'll be good for me to watch, you know. That Roman move back to Texas, you know. Hang out with Lizzie again, you know. That'll be great, you know. That'll be really, really great, you know. I pray for Lizzie from time to time, you know. I really love Lizzie. I'm a fan of her. I want to meet her in person. And not only that, I want to feature her on my show. I really want to feature Lizzie on my show. You know, that'll be great if I would feature Lizzie Velasquez on my show, okay? But in order for me to invite her to my house one day, I gotta buy a house, get out of this neck of the woods, and go somewhere good, you know, like Metairie or something like that, Jefferson Parish, you know. You know what? Me and Lizzie will have a great time. And Lizzie, if you're watching this video, I want to ask you something. Do you play video games? Oh, this is a Super Nintendo poster, and this is anyway, I'll show you what this is up here. Okay. Yep. And this Madden Football 64. I'd expect it to be papery, you know. Well, this is papery, all that papery. I don't know why I say all that papery. You know, receipts are papery. I wonder my sweet best friend will repeat that. I ain't talking about Randy TV, you know. Well, this Walmart receipt is papery. Very papery. Okay. I make up a lot of words, huh? Alright, that's it for now. Alright. Have a papery day. Okay, bye.